Hey folks, Mike and McGee here. I don't know if you raise pole beans or not, but if you do, let me show you how to do it the easy way. This is the first year we ever raised the Chinese red noodle bean. It's a little different, but it's huge and pretty good to eat. So Ernie Hatmaker gave me those seeds. It was really nice of her to do that. I appreciate it, Ernie. Look what we grew. I'm gonna pick this one here. Look at the size of this bean. It's huge. It barely fits in my basket. It lays all the way across my basket. What I want to show y'all is how to grow these pole beans. It doesn't have to be the Chinese red noodle. We grow rattlesnake. Sometimes we grow white McCaslin, Kentucky Wonder, just all kinds of Missouri Wonder, a lot of different beans. If you want to do it the easy way, look at this right here. This right here is a cattle panel. These cattle panels are 16 feet long, so if you drive some steel stakes in the ground like this right here, every 4 or 5 feet, you can hoop them right over and right down the other side, and that provides 2 rows. You can have, look here, this, you don't even have to grow beans on them. My daughter's got some cucumbers growing here. So anyway, any kind of climbing plant you can grow on these things, and I want you to look here at the beans. They just hang down. And the beautiful part of it, you pick them standing up, but not only you pick them standing up, you pick them in the shade. That is extremely valuable on these very hot days. So I want to take you for a little look. Let's go look around. These are the rattlesnake beans here. That is just about perfect right there to pick because you break it and throw it in the jar, can it up. Once you get these beans canned, they're good for years, and a readily available food source is very valuable. That's a good old bean, son. You like beans?
Oh, I love beans, son.
They'll eat right where you hold them, won't they?
Yeah, they will.
Mmm.
Oh, do you want some hot? Do you want some pepper?
I got some hot peppers already, son.
I know, but Pat's son grows some.
Really?
He said they're nice.
Ooh.
Yes, but they said you think Mike like our son like ours.
Oh, you think they're hotter than mine?
What way he talking, man? He said they kind of putting in chili.
Really?
Really.
Maybe we just need to do a one-on-one taste test. Let him taste mine and me taste his.
Well, you need to go up there and do that.
We had to do that.
Randall now, Randall. Yeah, I gotta say
Okay.
Randall.
See how these beans just hang through here? Let's go around and see the other one. Here's the other one. It's not hanging full because my daughter keeps them well picked, but it's very easy to find them because they hang down in under. Here's one right here that kind of got caught up in the top. You know, if you want to get them all, you look closely, but that right there is a big old nice bean right there. Rattlesnake bean, I do believe. Now this is my garden. This is my daughter's garden. She's doing all of this year. I would like to have her in here picking it and videoing it, but she just don't want to be on camera, and I can't blame her. Some people are crazy. But anyway, we're looking through here. This is the way to go. Now, it'll cost you a little bit on the front end. It's a little bit expensive to buy the cattle panels. Once you buy them, they ain't gonna go bad. Every year when you're done with them, you just take them down. You can probably leave them up for a few years before you really need to move them. But I like to move them about every year just to give it a new place to grow because you start getting bugs and start getting different problems. But if you take it down and move it every year, I'm telling you what, they will stick with you. You'll have them from then on. A lot of people take cattle panels and set them up the long way, and it only comes up to here. Put it up across the top. Then you can just reach right up and pick your beans, and it's easy and it's comfortable. It's comfortable, I promise you. You're cool in the shade and your back's not hurting from bending over. We used to always grow bush beans and we'd be bent over for hours picking them beans. That's for the birds. Now folks, I'm just telling you, that's for the birds. And you can just reach up and pick them like that, standing up. So Folks, I'm glad that you watched this video. I hope that you're able to get you some. Now, you can find them on an old farm somewhere because, like I said, they don't rot. Find them on an old farm somewhere, an old farmer might give them to you. That would be a really nice scenario, and you may be able to do that. So, we appreciate you watching this video. I hope this helps you out. I know this season's about over, but maybe for next season, you can go ahead and get to finding you some. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.